Most bloggers and website owners fail at making money online because Google AdSense is hard to get approved. But there's an easy solution anyone can start using today, even with low traffic. When I first started blogging, I realized AdSense isn't beginner-friendly. Approval is slow, and if your blog is new, earning is almost impossible. That's when I discovered Monetag Ads Network, a simple way for beginners to start earning online. Monetag lets you place ads on blogs or share smart links on social media. You earn money when people view, click, or engage. It works even with low traffic, accepts worldwide visitors, and supports blogs and social media platforms. Ways to earn. First, on your blog, place banner ads, hop-under ads, or in-page push ads inside posts, sidebars, or headers. Second, direct link. Copy the direct link on Monetag and add them in social media posts or bio links. They show the best offers automatically for each user. Monetag is beginner-friendly, no minimum traffic, fast approval, and new blogs are allowed. Compared to AdSense, Monetag is easier to start with, works with low traffic, and supports social media. AdSense is strict, requires more traffic, and doesn't support social media. Earnings depend on traffic, location, ad type, and content quality. While you won't get rich overnight, consistent effort can generate steady daily income. Tips to earn more. Create engaging content. Don't clutter your site with too many ads to maintain good audience retention. Target global audiences, combine blog and social media traffic, and optimize regularly. In short, Monetag is perfect for beginners. It helps you start earning early, understand ad networks. Stay consistent, start small, and watch your earnings grow. If this tip helped you, please like this video, share it to people who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.